going?
Icon Siam.
Yeah, okay.
Get a shuttle, takes us across there. Go by myself, see you later. Second day of boat trips. Yesterday we were on a boat. Today we're on a boat. Today, like we said, we're off to Icon Siam. About to go for a wander inside this massive new iconic Siam shopping mall. But something I'd like to point out is quite possibly the cheapest boat tour you can do anywhere here in Bangkok. So if you want to have a look at the Japia River on the cheap for a short little trip, I highly recommend just getting the shuttle boat across because it's worth it for the view.
Yeah.
So now, back, let's go.
Siam. Which way?
Now waited to cross again back the way we came. We just bought a ticket again from the station over there. When we get across, we're going to go look for BTS, and then from there we're going to attempt to wander or find our way to Chinatown.
We decide to walk.
We're up for another walk at Bimble, heading in towards Chinatown. Is the plan? Let's go. Old Town Park, having a wander. Here we are, walking through Chinatown. We're going to go off the road head towards the district office of
Sampantawong.
Sampantawong.
Sampantawong district. Where are we? Let's see.
So we came out of the shopping mall,
Icon Siam.
crossed over here, and walked all the way up here.
Hello.
Bye.
I think right. No.
Definitely been here before. Definitely been here before.
And yeah, that's the
Graffiti wall.
yeah,
Graffiti wall, Chinatown.
yeah.
This is the place to be. You can need a random part for a bike, car, boat, plane, possibly a NASA spaceship. I think they've got everything. This is the place to recycle. And it's obviously been going on for a long time, recycling. Awesome. That should be. Why chuck a piece away when you can take it to bits, repurpose it, refix it, and give it a new life? Nice car. I think someone did some DIY home repairs in this car, or it is from Mad Max, maybe. Look out for Mel Gibson. He's probably around here.
Giờ đi ra mấy cái đã. Tải.
Which way now?
That's where we walked down the other day.
Chinatown.
Chinatown during the daytime is completely different to what it is at night, where it's rammed full of people eating, drinking, loving life. We thought we'd come during the day, see how it's different to how you normally see it, and see what we can find. So let's go. Still busy, even during the daytime.
Yeah. Which one?
Baseball hats. I need another baseball cap. I only must have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're in the back streets wholesale market of Chinatown, where we've now been here for 314 days and still can't find a way out. However, I've seen a lot of sandals, a lot of mopeds, and a lot of interesting things. I think we should go that way.
Yeah.
Should have bought like a massive ball of string with us and then tied it to the entrance and unravelled it, and then we could have traced our way back. I don't think there's enough string. I could have probably bought some here because there's everything else. We have managed to circumnavigate our way out, and we're now at sea. I don't know where we're going. It's like I'm a local. In fact, I might become a tour guide. Take people on tours around the whole area. Now I have no idea where I am. The food worm is that when we walk down here. Maybe. Maru.
Malu.
Maru.
Come on.
Back into the market. I'm gonna go this way.
Alright then.
Human sat nav has got back to Chinatown. See, trust in the process. Shouldn't have parked it there. It's a local traffic warning. Let's sum up our trip to Chinatown today. Like those cats over there. Chaos, manic, mayhem, beauty, busy. Basically, perfect. Go wander, go get lost in the chaos, and enjoy the moment.